What I'm going to attempt to do is interview my wife, Nicole, and then pass it over to Matt and Debbie. So, Nicole, how was today's cooking class?
It was very good. Well, we did stewed chicken and cassava and bus-up shut, and I've eaten way too much.
Yes.
And so it was very good.
I could totally take a nap right now.
Absolutely.
Curl up, take a little nap.
So, Matt and Debbie, nice to see you again.
Nice to see you again.
And I don't know why I'm talking in a stupid voice, but anyhow. So how was your day?
Day was a lot of fun.
Awesome.
A lot of fun. We had good times talking to our good friends now all of a sudden.
Learn something completely new.
Learn how to cook some new food. Learn how to cook the food we learned how to cook last time a
Yes.
little differently.
Yes.
So
Any
always
variation.
learning. Always learning. And we have a bunch of new recipes to try that we're taking home with us.
Yeah, and actually you need to send us pictures when you do.
And we actually have a picture of the curry chicken and the bus-up shut that I made for Christmas.
Woohoo!
We've shared that with Nicole, and it actually looks like it's supposed to.
It was good.
So this is technically their third class.
Technically.
Okay.
Technically.
Yes.
Technically.
That's a long video.
Alright, so my horrible filming is going to end now.
Bye.